So arc length comes right from the definition of what a radian is, but the arc length, when we think about a circle, is if we're starting, let's say we're starting here, okay? The arc length is how far we go around the length of this here. So if I had a string that I laid out on the circumference of this circle, and then I would take the string and I would mark it like right here, and then hold it next to a ruler, and the length of this portion is called the arc length, okay? And we can find that arc length by taking whatever angle, central angle, it was that created that in radians, and we multiply it by the radius of the circle, and that'll give me the length of this segment right here. Now this formula only works if theta is in radians. If theta is not in radians, then this formula cannot be used. And so when we do an example like this one, where we have a circle that has a radius of 18 inches, we want to find the length of the arc intercepted by a central angle with a measure of 210 degrees. I can't use this number in my equation. Okay, again, I'm going to draw a picture of what we're looking at here. So we have a circle, there we go, and when it says of the arc intercepted by the central angle, then we're talking about all that good stuff we were talking about before. So if this is the center of the circle, then my central angle is going to be, we typically start here for my central angle. And so 210 degrees, we know this is more than 180, so it's going to be like here is where this is the angle that we're talking about. And we want to know what the arc length is. The arc length is this length right here that I just drew in red. That's the length we're trying to find, but I can't find that with a 210 degree angle. Instead, using this formula, I'm going to plug in 18 for my radius, and I need to convert 210 degrees into radians. And so I'm going to do that work down at the bottom here. And so I have 210 degrees, and I want to get rid of degrees. So just like numbers, units cancel when they are divided. So this unit's going to cancel this unit, and that's pi radians. And so 210 divided by 180, we can write that as a fraction. And that comes out to 7 over 6. 210 divided by 180 is 7 over 6. And we still have this pi, so that we're going to write our pi here. So this is 7/6 over pi. And so my angle measure is actually, we can think of it as 7 pi over 6, or 7/6 pi. 18 divided by 6 is 3 times the 7 pi. It's going to give me 21 pi. So this is in inches. Okay, that's in inches. And that's the length of this red segment that I drew over here. Again, arc length formula only works when this is in radians. All right, I'll see you on the